Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this AxisVM training course, and the topic for today will be the menu help. This is the last one of this series of lessons, and we've seen previously all of these menus, so let us conclude this with this last one. So help usually is something that we have as far as I remember, in any software running under Windows environment. And usually here we have very specific things, like in this particular case, the contents of the software. So this is the manual of the software. In my particular case, for some reason, I have it in German, so it's not the best language that I could have. German, it's not my strong point. Then we have some specific guides for specific modules, in important modules. We have this SC1 steel connection design, which we can also check directly in the help menu, and we have others: the auto MCR guide, the auto NCR guide, FFA guide. So we have a lot of different help guides around in this help menu. Then we can go directly to AxisVM homepage. I don't have it here available, but okay, it's a link that you can use. We can have a web update to see if this is the last version and to control the updates or not. So okay, there is an update found in my particular case. I will not do it now. But it is possible to control the status of your version with this. We have the about function that will let you know what are the modules and what is your license in particular with all the modules. Being our company reseller of AxisVM, so we have all the modules installed, as you might understand. And finally, also very interesting information about releases. So this is our last release installed in this license today. So it's a 3F. So we have newer versions to update. But in each of the releases, we have a description of what was done and changed. So this is a very interesting historic document, which allow us to see also the work that Intercad does in the release of a new version. So I think it's worth to spend some time reading for each of the versions what has been changed. So these were the topics to talk about in this help menu. So if you need any assistance in this particular topic or others, let us know. You know how to reach us already, so we always keep repeating this part. So any support, let us know.